How to convert your video file into some another format. So hey guys, if you want to convert the format of your video file using the VLC Media Player, then this video is for you. So basically you might have encountered an issue that if you want to convert your video file, so for example, let's say if you want to convert a .mov file into an MP4 format, then you might have no clue how to do this. So let us see how to do this using the VLC Media Player. So the first thing you need to do is install the VLC Media Player either from the Microsoft Store or from the web browser. Then once you have installed the VLC Media Player, you need to open your VLC Media Player. So let's open up our VLC Media Player. Then once you have opened your VLC Media Player, you need to click onto this Media tab at the top left. Once you will click over it, you can see this option of Convert or Save. Or alternatively, you may also choose to press the Ctrl and R key combinations. So once you have clicked onto this option, you can see this particular dialog box. The next thing we need to do is add our video file into this dialog box. To do this, click onto this Add button and choose the file that you want to convert. So here you can see I have this particular file with a .mov format. So I have selected this and clicked on the open button. Once you will do this, you can see that this file has been loaded into a dialog box. Then you need to click onto this convert/save button. And then from here, you don't need to touch other things, just only specify the format that you want the video to be present. So since this is an .mov video file, I will convert it to MP4. To convert into MP4, you need to choose this option, which is video H.265 plus MP3, which gives us the MP4 format. So once you have specified the format, you need to determine the location where this new file will be present. To do this, click onto this browse button and then choose any folder of your choice. So for example, let's say desktop, and then you can give it a name. So let's give it a name like new video. So here you can see that the file name will be new video with the extension as .mp4. So once you are done doing this, click on the save button and from here choose the start button. And then here you can see this blue bar which is progressing. That means the file is being currently processed, and once it will reach the end, the file will be done processing and we can view it. So let us wait for the same. And here you can see once the blue bar has reached the end, we can try to navigate our file using the particular folder where we have determined its location. So let us go to our desktop folder, and from here let's find the new video. And here you can see this is the new video file. So let's try to open it. And here you can see that now it is running in the MP4 format. So that's how easy it is to change the file types in VLC Media Player. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If this video was helpful to you in any way, do make sure to drop us a like. Tell us in the comments if you are encountering any issues or you have a suggestion, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.